Welcome everyone to today's video. If you're a new viewer, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. So today's video is all about this simple, easy and healthy recipe from my garden. So this channel is all about gardening, right? So this is teaching us how to use what we have planted. So if you're interested to know how I made this easy, healthy recipe, keep watching. So if you have been following on this channel, you remember that I planted pumpkin leaves, that's ugu leaves, this season. So today I am topping them off, and then I am using what I cut off from the topping to make that easy African salad recipe. So these are the ingredients: cabbage. You can use cabbage from your garden, although I didn't plant cabbage this year, but it's something that you can easily plant. So this is the ugu that I just harvested. I've already washed it thoroughly. So I'll now go ahead and chop it into thin slices to use for my African salad. So this is the cabbage, which is a fresh vegetable. Then these are the spices I'm using. Now this brown stuff actually is grounded kuli kuli. For those of you in Nigeria, you know what I'm talking about. Grounded kuli kuli. Then I have salt and I have dry pepper. So I'll just go ahead, chop up my ugu and combine. So as I said before, the ugu is already washed and it is clean. So the doctor said I'm going to be eating fresh vegetables that can build up my blood levels. So I'm cooking vegetables, as you know, we'll turn them into something else. So I prefer to eat mine raw, so I will know I'm getting the required nutrients, especially ugu. Ugu, if you eat it raw, it helps to build up your blood levels. That is one very good advantage of ugu leaves. So imagine having a garden full of ugu leaves, then you will never lack blood. So I'll just go ahead and garnish this cabbage with my fresh ugu straight from the garden. Guys, nothing can be healthier than this fresh produce from your own garden with organic fertilizer. And by the way, if you want to see how I make my potting mix to produce this food organically, check out the video on my channel. So I'll go ahead and season with, okay, this is the kuli kuli, as I said, grounded kuli kuli. Then I'll go ahead and season my vegetables with salt, a bit of salt according to your tastes, but not too much anyway. Then with pepper, I do like eating vegetables with pepper. It helps me to eat up all my veggies. So for those of you that hate eating vegetables, maybe you try it and see how it goes. Then I'll go ahead and sprinkle the grounded kuli kuli. This kuli kuli gives it a very delicious flavor. So for anybody that doesn't like eating fresh veggies, just try it like this. I'm sure you'll be amazed at how much of it you will be able to eat. So this is it, guys. I'll just go ahead and enjoy my simple, easy African salad. So guys, it's not really expensive to eat healthy. You don't have to break the bank. You just have to improvise, grow your own food, and then that way you will be sure you are eating fresh and organically grown veggies. So that's it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do leave a comment on the things that you are growing in your garden, and then the things you love to eat fresh as salads. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video to support the channel. So guys, this is it. I will see you in the next video. Bye.